Welcome to this AJAX video series, and in this video series or AJAX course you will learn how you can use AJAX to improve your site, to make your site more dynamic. And one of the most fascinating things is we're going to updating text and of course inserting new data for example a new user or anything else that is dynamic, meaning that if you will insert it in this form here, it will store automatically in your dashboard or as well on your database. So you have all these things connected nicely to each other without refreshing the page. So an example here, let's say maybe it's John, let's call this John Wayne, and we save these things here. As you can see, we create a connection. You can see this, and if we refresh this, it now shows this. And if we would change this to test, save this as well, so we will change the current user, refresh, and there you are. So this is really interesting, and AJAX can help you to make your site more user-friendly, because now instead of refreshing the entire page, the user will see instantly what they inserted on the site. And same as well for you if you want to have a special dashboard or a special form where you can quickly see everything. This is really how you can learn it step by step with AJAX. So we're going to focus on two parts. Number one, we're going to focus on how you can insert values in the database. So for example, new user, you can every time consistently add the new user. And secondly, we're going to show you how you can update existing files or existing inputs. So maybe you want to update to Sir John to change the name, as I showed you, you can do that as well. So this is really fun, and one of the most fascinating things we're going to websites with AJAX is everything goes dynamic and instantly without refreshing the page. So let's start with this course.